you often find yourself sitting in front of the computer screen, working for hours at a stretch? Do you often develop problems like dry eyes, neck pain, and shoulder pain at the end of the day? Well, then, Refresh Reminder is the perfect solution for you. Let us have a quick walkthrough of our app. So, the home screen of our app has 4 toggles with which the users can turn on or off the prime features of our app. Let's talk about them in detail. Turning on face-to-screen distance and blink detection. If I click hide, the program will continue to run in the background and we can still view it in the system tray here. Now this camera screen is just for demonstration purposes so that you know that my activity is being reacted to by the program. Now let's say while working, I come close to the screen unknowingly. So what this program will do is create a non-intrusive pop-up to remind me of the same so that I correct my posture. Another feature is that let's say I haven't blinked for a while and my blinking rate is very low. So this app will remind me by giving me a blue pop-up around the screen like this, and that will help me avoid dry eyes. Now next, let's go back to our app via the system tray. Before turning these off, we also have a notification mode selector so that those people who want Windows notifications instead of our app pop-ups can get the same. Now if I come closer to my app, then I will get a Windows notification about the same. Going back to our app, now let's explore the other features, exercise animation and work time detection. Again I click hide, and let's say I continue to work and I haven't taken a break for a long time. So this app will give me a translucent pop-up reminding me that it's time for a break. But there are 3 options here. One is go back to settings, second is skip this break, and third, if I click OK, then I will be led to a guided animation so that I can take a refreshing break with small exercises. So this one is a head tilt exercise. So our app will detect and guide the users to do a head tilt exercise, and then will give this sound as the confirmation that the exercise has been done. Similarly, there are other exercises and activities. So this will prompt the user to get up from the seat so that the user moves a little, and then the exercise. So these are sample exercises. Yet another one is the head moving exercise. Now let's go back to our app and see whether the Windows notification works here or not. I again continue to do my work, and if I haven't taken a break, I again get a Windows notification reminder. Going back to our app, turning these features off. Now another interesting feature that we have implemented is the gesture navigation feature. So we have 3 gestures here: high five, thumbs up, and a victory sign that will help us navigate our app by either bringing up the home screen, swiping off the notification, or testing our camera, just like this one. So we also have a testing computer vision option so that the user can test whether their camera is working or not, whether the application is detecting the blinks, or whether the face-to-screen distance is working properly or not. Let's again go back to our app. Then we also have a help section for new users and an about section describing our app and our team. So be like this, use Refresh Reminder and stay healthy.